Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locating the most likely source for the missing contact and then act immediately. Check your phone account lists, Google or iCloud, because sync often keeps old entries. Enable sync now if it's off. Next, review your last backup date so you know how far back to search. Have identifiers ready, full name, prior phone, email, or mutual groups, because these speed lookup and cross-referencing. Once you have this, move to targeted search methods and recovery steps with confidence. Now perform a layered search. Use exact matches and fuzzy variations. Try nicknames and alternate spellings because contacts often change formatting. Inspect account-specific archives, trash recently deleted or export files, and restore a known good backup if found. Check third-party apps and any sync device. Sometimes older phones retain copies. Cross-check with social media profiles, mutual friends, old emails, and call or message history to confirm numbers and emails. Make sure to merge duplicates and update the restored contact. Finish by cleaning and securing the recovered contact. Merge duplicates, standardize name and number formats, and add notes or secondary emails. Export a backup as vCard or CSV and verify the contact appears on another device. This prevents future loss. Once done, force a full sync and monitor for conflicts. If the contact still cannot be found, attempt account recovery procedures, contact the provider's support, or restore an older device backup. This troubleshooting step often reveals data that modern syncs overwrite. Use it as your fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.